Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a content slider section to your EasyBrew website. So this here is a content slider. It basically allows us to add a slider with a copy, an image, and also we can add a button and kind of display it in slightly different layouts as well. So how do we add this? Go to the page for which you'd like to add the element, go to the Page Elements folder, hit the ellipses, and select Content Slider section. Now this is just our content slider, so I'm going to content slider. I'm going to choose the autoplay time as 1, just so it slides nice and fast when we preview it. Save and publish that. And now we need to enter the slides into the content slider that we just created. So to do that, click the ellipses and select content slider item. Give it a name. Now this name won't appear on the front ends. I'm going to call this slide 1. Add some content. And add an image. I'm going to add the same image to all these slides so we can compare them. And this one is going to be positioned, we're going to choose left first. If you want to add a button, go to the link tab. Choose the link. You can choose an internal link. So if you want to link to somewhere on your website, add the button text, so make this about to match the link. Or if you wanted to, you could add an external website link. If you add an external link, it will automatically override the internal link. We're going to leave the internal link for now. I'll quickly save and publish that. Have a look at our page. There we go. There's our content slider, but obviously it's not sliding because we've only got the one item. So let's add some more. Same process. Go to content slider, click the ellipses. Excuse my internet connection. There we go. And enter in your slider information. So I'm going to call this slide 2. Enter in the dummy content. Choose the image. Now, on this first one, I have the image on the left. So the second one, I'm going to make the image position right. Add another button. This one, I'm just going to go home. Save and publish. Let's have a look at that now. Alright, so there's our first slide, and there's our second slide. You can see this one, image on the left, and this one, image on the right. There's our button and our copy. All looks good. Now, there is one final option for your content slider, and that's to put the image position at the top. Now, if you're going to use the image position at the top, then I'd recommend you do not use image position left or right in the same content slider element, and I will show you why. So let's stay here, save those changes. I'm going to add another content slider item, slide 3, to my dummy content, choose my image. I'm going to choose image position top. Then I'll link it to contact page and save and publish. Now if I preview this on the front end now, you'll notice that our buttons to indicate what slide we're on are all the way down here now. There's a lot of big white space between there and there. That's because when you use the image positioned at the top, it will make the image full width, which will make it taller. So it doesn't match the height of the other slides. So unless you're using a really thin image for your top slide item with image at the top in conjunction with left and right images, then I wouldn't recommend that you use this with the left and right images. I would recommend you use multiple top images. And you could use that for, the hero on a website or something like that. But there's our button. So they're the 3 different types of slider items you can add, the 3 different layouts, and you can add them in any order that you'd like. But as mentioned, I just recommend you, if you're going to use the top section, the top image layout, use only the top image layout.